and all. Here I am your Rajesh sir with a new topic. In previous class, I have discussed reflexive and emphatic pronouns. I hope you understood that. Today I am going to teach demonstrative pronouns. Here, what is this? This is a briefcase. What are you seeing? These are geometrical instruments. What are these? These are geometrical instruments. What is this? This is a duster. What is this? This is a ruler. What is this? This is a compass. What is this? This is divider. See, we are using this is, that is, these are. These words called demonstrative pronouns. What are the words? This, that, these, those. These are called demonstrative pronouns. Our today's topic is demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronoun. Here, demonstrative. You see the demonstrate. Demonstrate. Here it is a verb. What is this? Verb. It means that to indicate or show or point something which is specific. Which is specific. Demonstrative means which shows you something, points you something, or indicate you something specific within the sentence. And these are, just now I told you, what are they? This, that, these, those. Here see, this and that used for singular. These and those used for plural. Usually used to describe animals, places or things. We use these demonstrative pronouns to indicate animals, places or things. Here, animals. See this. What are you seeing in this image? What is this? This is an elephant. Here, these are elephants. This is an elephant, one singular. This is an elephant, plural. These are elephants. They are near. When they are near to you or in time or distance, we are using this. More than one, these. If it is far from you, we use that. That is an elephant. Those are elephants. What do you call? That. That. Here, those. If it is far in distance and time, we are using that or those. It is very near to you, we use this. This is an elephant. These are elephants. Here see the place. This is a room. This is a classroom. Or that is a room. These are classrooms. Those are classrooms far away from you. Here, take the things. See the example. What is this? It is a particular shape. By seeing this, we said that this is an hexagon. This is a hexagon. These are hexagons. Here, that is a hexagon. Those are hexagons. When it is near, we use this, these. Far, what we use? That, those. And here, generally the question arises that whether we use this with a person or not. Yes, absolutely we use this with the persons. When they are identified, then only we are using with this or that. Here see, that sounds like Naveen. Here see the voice.
Rajesh.
Here I am listening the voice.
Rajesh.
Who is this? That sounds like Naveen's voice. This is Naveen sir's voice. In the same way, that is Rani's voice. That is Rani's voice. Okay? So that we are using with the names. Just I explained you how to use this demonstrative pronouns with animals, persons and things. Now you see few more rules. Demonstrative pronouns identify nouns, whether those nouns are named or unnamed. Here it generally identifies. You see the example, I can't believe this. Here, if this is speaking about something, that is maybe information. I can't believe this information. Means it is specifying about the noun. Here see another example, I won't support that. Here, I won't support that. This is also identifying nouns, that is idea. I can't able to understand this lesson. I am speaking about this lesson. I can't able to understand this lesson in previous days. By your examples and with your explanation, I can understood this easily. We are using in this way. Here, don't confuse how to use demonstrative pronouns and how to use demonstrative adjectives. They are looking same. In this demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronouns, we are using this, that, these, those. But how to use? Just have a look on it. Here, this is a book. This is a sentence, and here we are saying that this is a book. Here we are using this in place of noun. It is a subject. It is a subject. We are using in the place of subject, and after that it follows the verb. After that it followed verb. So these type of sentences we call demonstrative pronoun. We are using with the demonstrative pronouns, and this, that, these, those. These are all called demonstrative pronouns, and they are in the place of subject. Let's have a look on this. This book is hers. This book is hers. Here see, after this we are writing noun. According to the rule, if we are using something before the noun, it adds something to the noun or it qualifies noun. So, if it has that type of qualities, we call it as adjective. And this adjective is in the with the demonstrative adjective. We call it as a demonstrative adjective. This is followed by noun. Here see the other example also. That pen is mine. The same way, these are books. These books are theirs. Those books are them. In this way we are using. Don't confuse. Here after this demonstrative pronoun we are using verb. In this demonstrative adjective, after this demonstrative pronoun we are using noun. So we call it as a demonstrative adjective. This is demonstrative pronoun and this is demonstrative adjective. This is the main difference between demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronouns. See many examples and try to understand and write few examples of your own. To understand this topic clearly and able to use it effectively, here see few examples. This tastes good. Something you are showing and you are asking and saying that this tastes good. Have you seen this? Have you seen this? You are asking something which is seen. These are bad times. As you know that in these days we are suffering with COVID-19 and all are staying at home without schools. These are bad times. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Here you are speaking about something which is beautiful. Look at that. When you are speaking with your friend and something has happened and you are saying your friend to see, look at that, look at this. In this way we are using. Those were the days. Always we believe that past is wonderful. The days were always memorable. And we say that those days, wow, we enjoyed in this way, we did that. In this way we are explaining. This is bigger than that. Here the two images are there. One is smaller and one is bigger than the other. This is my wife's ring. Here is a ring is gifted by my wife. This is my wife's ring. That looks like a car. When you see the clouds in rainy season, we are seeing that, yeah, this shape is looking like car, this is looking like boat. In this way we are seeing, this looks like a car. These are nice masks. These are nice masks, but look uncomfortable. See, these days we are wearing masks. This is looking good, but it is uncomfortable. None of these answers are correct. This type of options we are seeing in the choose the correct answers. They are giving choices A, B, C and the last one is D. Shortly they are writing none, otherwise none of these answers are correct. In place of these, that, those, is it possible to use none. Is that yours? Is that yours? Someone is saying that, is that yours? In this way, we are using these demonstrative pronouns. Use in your sentences and improve your language. Worksheet for demonstrative pronouns. As I told you that demonstrative pronouns we generally use as this, that, these, those, near and far, singular and plural, and it is also depends on the verb. Here, read these sentences carefully and write the correct demonstrative pronoun in the space. Here, see worksheet. Choose a correct demonstrative pronoun to complete each sentence. Here is the dash, and we given two options. Select which one is right. Dash. This is my favorite bike. Would you like some of dash? This or these? Dash. That those is the car I would like to buy. I like dash this flowers. What is dash? Those that. Read these sentences carefully and write the correct answer. Be at home. Thank you. Keep watching.